How do you keep your head about you when you're involved in something so epic, so time-consuming, with so many people around the world? I'm just kind of curious to just find out how you just maintain, your sanity when you're on the peak of something like this, the demands of Web3. How do you do that?
Well, the kids certainly keep me in line.
Amen.
They have needs, and it has to be now. Apart from that, I have certain habits, mental habits, and I think that's helpful. One of my mental habits is that I learn something new every day. I just like, it doesn't happen what it is. Like I have to feed my language habit, which is Duolingo. Lots of people don't like Duolingo. I love it because it's the most gamified. It's an amazingly constructed, gamified system. It's like I learn a lot from Duolingo, not just languages, but also like how they keep me coming back every single day and worry about losing a streak. Who cares? But somehow I do. and assembling those XP points, and it's unbelievable how they do it. So that's one type of learning. I mentioned my addiction to YouTube. I learn something new from YouTube every single day. It could be about history, it could be about science, it could be just so much amazing stuff on YouTube. It's an incredible thing. But one thing or another, and it's really become a habit. I don't force myself to do it, but it's like I have to learn something new every day. And if I do, sort of, the day wasn't wasted.
Okay.
So there is work, and then there is learning something about every day, and then there is the two kids who always have their needs. And that's it. That's my routine.
The two kids don't care about your net worth, and they don't care about your domination of Web3. They ground you really quick, right?
Very, very, very much so.
That's a beautiful thing.
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Boris, how can people engage with LiveArt, learn more about it, and take their first steps with you and the platform and get involved?
Probably the best way is to follow our social media. So on Twitter, it's LiveArtX, and on Telegram as well, and on Discord as well. The website is worth checking out because it has a lot of just free stuff. Right, liveart.io, as you said, starts out with a ticker tape. It starts getting you educated about art as an asset class. You can look up, any artist. We cover 350,000 artists. You can learn whatever you want about any of them. What is their market cap? What is their market momentum as of today? What things they have sold in the past? What are their values? And which auction houses and so on. So a lot of educational content, as well as our games. So our Telegram game, our price guessing game, all sorts of stuff. And all of that is free. I would suggest that would be a good place to start to getting into the ecosystem.
Fantastic. So I can sign up for the Telegram game right on the website. It's got links
right
to
on the
that.
website.
Wow. I was one last final thought from me is that I started working on Wall Street in '93. I left all my degrees behind at MIT and went into finance. But one of the things that was there at the time was Bloomberg. Bloomberg was the information source, and it's before the internet. And you had these funky little terminals. Obviously, they provided so much value because it made Bloomberg rich so he could run to be mayor later. But it was information at your fingertips, and it changed Wall Street. Because before that, you had the government bonds, you had all these things, but nobody could they could never chart things or see things in real time. It was a huge tool for that whole industry, and I think it moved it forward. And when I hear what you're doing with art, honestly, you look like the Bloomberg of the art market on top of everything else you're doing.
Yes.
And that's huge.
Yes, and in fact, that's the first thing that we built. So when we started with them, because it's like my design thinking was always that, okay, in order to build art as an asset class, you have to have the data layer. So we built this Bloomberg for art first, and then we built everything else on top of it.
Powerful. Boris, I am beyond excited to be on this journey with you. I am super bullish on everything you're building, and again, I keep telling my team, I'm so excited about LiveArt. So thank you for getting us involved in this amazing project, and I'm just so excited for the future and everything you're going to build.
Thank you. Thank you, Brian. It was fun.
It was a lot of fun, right? All right, thanks so much.
Thank you.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free, visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below.